In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to fix an Epson L5190 that is printing blank pages and missing colors.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Always start by printing a nozzle test on your Epson L5190 to see exactly which colors are missing and how severe the issue is. Printing a nozzle test on the Epson L5190 is very simple. Just go to the printer settings, open the maintenance section, and then select and run the nozzle check. It is that easy. As shown in the video title and thumbnail, our Epson L5190 nozzle test is completely blank, with all colors failing to print. This clearly shows the printer's color issue and sets the stage for the repair process. Now, turn off the printer and unplug it from the power source. Then, discharge any remaining electricity by pressing and holding the power button until fully drained. Now, remove the two front screws on the printer cover. This will give you access to the printer's printhead. Now, lift the top cover of the printer and open all the color tank doors. Use a large screwdriver to hold the top cover securely in place so it does not move while you work. Now you need to move the printhead to the center. However, it is currently locked in place, so you cannot move it directly. To unlock the printhead, rotate the printer's gears on the right side a few turns until the head becomes free and can move smoothly. Now carefully remove the plastic cover that protects the ink tubes. This will give you access to the dumpers so you can take them out safely. Be careful not to tear the plastic cover, as it is very important. You only need to detach it gently from the small locking clips that hold it in place. It requires a bit of care, not force. Now carefully remove the dumpers or ink cartridges one by one. Using a large syringe, gently draw out a small amount of ink from each damper. This process helps to remove trapped air and allows the ink to flow smoothly again. Now reconnect all the ink tubes to their original positions. Make sure the black alignment marks on the tubes match exactly with their correct spots, as shown in this video. Then, place the plastic cover back over the tubes and lock it securely onto the hooks on the printhead unit. In the next step, disconnect the waste ink tube that goes into the maintenance box. Use a syringe to gently draw out some of the ink from this tube to help clear any clogs or trapped air inside the system. Before pulling any ink from the waste tube, make sure to move the printhead back to its original position. This is important because the printhead must rest on the capping station, which is the system that channels the waste ink from the printhead to the maintenance box. Now place the waste tube back into its original position. Make sure it is properly connected and secured to prevent any ink leakage inside the printer. Now, reassemble the printer carefully, then reconnect the power cable and turn on the printer. After the printer is ready, go to the printer settings, open the maintenance section, and select head cleaning. Wait for about 3 minutes until the cleaning process is completed. Now, go to Nozzle Check and press Print button to print the test page. This will show us if the printer has returned to its normal working condition. In this video from Device Doctor, we successfully fixed the Epson L5190 printer and restored full color printing. As you can see, the nozzle check now prints perfectly, and the printer is back to normal. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert printer tips and tutorials from Device Doctor. Stay tuned for more easy and effective solutions for your printers.